Jason here at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil changes, rig ready Rams, and now we buy your Rams. I want to show you this nice 2013, great way to get into a truck, really good price, 165,000 kilometers on it. As you're going to see, it's got a leveling kit on the truck here, XT series tires with some off-road wheels on there as well. One thing I like about it, it's got the trailer tow mirrors already well equipped for the truck as well. We're going to go to the front of the truck, color keyed bumper trim here as well. Nice chrome grille on the truck, bug deflector included in it. Open this up here. Tried and true 5.3 liter V8 in there, so it's got lots of horsepower to get up and pull if you need to pull a trailer or something like that. All your service marks are marked in yellow as far as that goes. Dual airbags on the front of the truck as well. And again, I just want to point out these tires and wheels because this is a pretty good upgrade on this truck as well. So you're going to get those included, and again you can see the leveling kit on the front, so it brings the front end of this truck up really nicely here. Again, the trailer tow mirrors, if we open it up, it's got the black on black interior in there, really nice. Not too fancy, but it's got all the main functions in there: windows, locks, tilt, cruise, air conditioning, stuff like that. Crew cab truck there, so it's got lots of room in the back there for the kids if you want. Flip up seats, air in the back, power points, all that good stuff. We'll go to the back. It's got the spray and box liner in here. You're going to notice it comes with air suspension, so the guys put some air suspension so you can level that out if you want to put some heavy load in there. Trailer tow package, the receiver in there, spray and box liner. Inside this GMC SLE, you're going to notice again, it's got the cloth buckets, power driver seat in this. One thing I really like about it, it's got the 4-wheel drive shift on the fly and also auto mode, so that when you're doing your city driving and stuff like that, you can drive it in auto. It'll sense it and put it into 4-wheel drive as you need it. Dual climate control in it, CD player going back a few years, air tilt cruise, windows locks, again, nice console, some USB ports inside there. Nice truck, guys. Great way to get into a 4x4 for the winter, so you can do what you need to do. If you're like me, you want to go haul some wood, lots of room in the back, jack up the air suspension, and away you go. So in the back of the crew cab, guys, what I like about it is you got the kids in here. They got full seating arrangements here, as well as there's some flip down cup holders here, so you just give that a quick flip. They got the cup holders. You got the dog in the back. You flip the seats up, or you can put all your work gear in the back of this truck if you want. Again, nice way to get into a 4x4 truck, 4x4 with all the bells and whistles that you need. Come on down to Redwater Dodge and check this beauty out. Redwater Dodge is located a short 35-minute drive north of the city, or come from Cold Lake, Grand Prairie if you like, Fort McMurray. We are on the way into the city. Stop at this family-owned business. We'll treat you right. You can click the link below for more pictures and pricing on this, or call us at 780-942-3629.